guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishmita and all of you watching me on Mrs. Out. So today in this video I'll be creating this look, and this look is created using products which were sent by my sister all the way from US. So you know that my sister stays over there in US and she is doing her CPL. So I'll just share a very small story about her in the rest of the video while I do this makeup. So yeah, don't forget to watch the full video. And before I show you all the products what all I have used today and what all she has sent me, so before that, do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. So yeah, without much further ado, let's get started.
So let me just quickly do my skincare before I do makeup. So I've sprayed on some toner and now I'll apply a hyaluronic acid. Now basically my sister's name is Mohini, but at home I call her Barbie, and this is the reason everyone calls her Barbie. So when she was a kid, she was obsessed with Barbie dolls, and hence her name is Barbie. So in her name only R is missing from Barbie, and Barbie is the name. And her first Barbie was also gifted by me. She was a kid and I was doing my grad, and that time I gifted her, saving up my money. Now taking this NARS concealer, this is their Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'll mention the shade name on the screen. I'm just filling in the lids and then I'm blending it. And for eyeshadow I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette. I exactly don't remember the palette name, I'll just mention it on the screen. And using these shades I'll just create the eye makeup. So my sister is 10 years younger to me. Yes, you heard it right, she's 10 years younger to me. And basically she is my first daughter and I am her second mother. So this is how our relationship is. But we also fight a lot on very small things, like how siblings fight. But the thing is that we don't fight physically. The fight actually becomes a cold war, but it only stays up to 5 to 6 hours max. But whenever she fights with my mom, she actually stops talking to her, and she never talks with my mother like within a day. Either she will stop talking to her for 5 to 6 days, or it will continue up to 15 days as well. So that time I am the only communication media for both of them. So guys, once I have completed my eye makeup, now I'll just quickly do my face, and for that I am doing the color correcting part. Now for foundations I have two options. One is by Juvia's Place and another one is by Fenty Beauty. So here I am applying the Juvia's Place one. This is quite thick compared to the Fenty one, and this is a tad bit yellow. Fenty one is quite yellow as well. Now but for the rest of the face I'll use the Fenty Beauty one, and this is in the number 350. This is their Pro Filter foundation, and I'm using a wet sponge to blend the foundation. So Barbie stays in USA and she is doing her CPL, that is Commercial Pilot License. So she's doing her training over there. So basically she needs to fly for 250 hours to get her CPL license. CPL, that is the Commercial Pilot License. And once she completed her 12th, she applied for the exams. She cleared all her exams for DGCA, and then she has gone for a training. When she was small, we never thought that she will be a pilot one day, but now each and every member of our family can proudly say that our Barbie is a pilot. So she has already received her PPL, that is Private Pilot License, and before that she has received her Student Pilot License as well. And she's over there for almost 9 months, and I really miss her because, as you know, that she's the first daughter of mine. So she used to be with me for 24 hours, but now she's far away from me, so I really miss her. So guys, the next product she has sent me is this setting spray. This is by Urban Decay, and this is a superb setting spray. Just trust me guys, this is a super setting spray and this is just worth the price. Now taking this blush, this is the cream blush by NARS, and this is in the shade Scandalous. I'm doing my cheeks and this blends like dream, trust me, and looks very beautiful on any skin tone. Also she has sent me this Infallible powder foundation. I totally forgot the shade name, and this has got a very good coverage as you can see, and this looks something like this without the setting spray, and once you apply the setting spray this looks something like this. So yeah guys, where I was. So yeah, I was telling like how she completed her 12th and then she went to USA for her training. Now I also stayed away from my house for 4 years. During my grad, I was doing my B.Pharm, and whenever I used to leave for Bhubaneswar, my sister used to cry a lot and she used to get fever. So the next thing she has sent me is this blush palette. This has got shimmer particles. So in this video I've used this as a highlighter, and this is highly pigmented. So Barbie used to mark on the calendars like when will I return, and she used to count on the number of episodes of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, like after 3 or 4 episodes my sister will come, or like after 15 episodes my sister will come. And she's obsessed with Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. She can watch it the entire day, and she's also obsessed with Korean dramas, Korean culture. She has also learned Korean and she uses chopsticks to eat her noodles. Now for lipstick, I have these 2 lipstick. One is by NYX and another one is by Kylie. So I'll mention the shade name as well. And yes, one thing I really want to mention is that her favorite K-pop band is not BTS, but her favorite K-pop band is EXO. And that's it guys. So hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial and also enjoyed listening to the story of my little sister.
So yeah guys, with this I'm ending the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comments like if you like the look or not. So if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and my ID is mentioned here on the screen. So with that I'm ending the video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay gorgeous.